Oh, yeah, now it's recording.
Oh. You can actually see better through the camera.
Yeah.
You actually can. You should start watching the road through the camera.
Oh,
Why is that, dude? That is so creepy.
well, because, I don't know. Yeah, you see the trees way better in the camera than you can in real life.
Yeah, dude. So I'm driving with my camera right now because I can see the road better. That's really weird. You can actually see better with the camera. Like, it doesn't look as bad at the camera. Whoa. Oh, did you see that lightning?
Yeah.